Simplify. 13 minus 0 minus a negative 4 minus 6 plus a minus 17. Now as we simplify it, let's just ignore the first two numbers. Copy them down. And let's look at the negative, negative 4, and the negative 6. Copy them down here. And let's think about this for a minute. First of all, let's concentrate on the minus 6, and then we'll come back to the minus 4. Let's look at this. Now, this is what a negative looks like. Okay, and I have one negative here, and that's what it looks like, and this is not going to change. This is still minus 6. As we look at this problem, this looks different. This looks different than this. Now, why? Over here I have one negative, right? One negative. And over here I have two negatives. Okay? So this must give you a different answer than this. All right? And since this is just negative 6, it doesn't change. This being different must change to a what? From a negative 4 to a what? So then when you have two negatives like this, if you subtract the negative, you'll add the opposite. But really you can think a double negative, two negatives lead you to write the plus. So if we write plus 4 for this, then we write minus 6 for this. Now how many negatives does this have? You see this has two negatives? This has one negative, so it stays negative. All right? Now 13 minus 0 is 13. Copy down the other numbers. 13 plus 4, and copy the other numbers down. 17 minus 6, and copy this one down. Now if you have $11 and you spend 17, you had a plus $11 in your bank account, and you wrote a check for $17. Now you were overdrawn, but you're not overdrawn 17 because you paid off 11 of that 17, but you are overdrawn. You're overdrawn what? 6. Answer is minus 6.